This video shows you how to clean the automatic document feeder glass and scanner glass of your printer. Cleaning the scanner helps prevent dark streaks or jagged images in text from showing on the scanned documents. Open the scanner cover. Remove the glass cleaner tool. Open door A1. Using the cleaning tool, wipe the automatic document feeder glass inside door A1. Close door A1. Using a damp, soft, lint-free cloth, wipe the scanner glass pad and ADF glass pad. Using the cleaning tool, wipe the ADF glass. Using a damp, soft, lint-free cloth, wipe the scanner glass. Return the cleaning tool into place. Close the scanner cover.